Junior, give me key. Give me a bunch of key. I want to sing. Give me a bunch of key. Sing tenor. No, soprano. Give me a bunch of key. No, which safe move, bunch of key. Go on. Sing now, again. You know, Sabi sing. Let me sing my own. Say, give me a bunch of key.
Nedu, calm down. This is your
I said, give me a bunch of keys, not be my key. Now you see your key.
I did try find that, not find that.
No, the key don't lost. Nedu, you know
okay, give me another key. Give me safety key. Union. Give me union key.
Nedu, all the keys don't lost.
All the keys don't lost. Anyone, welcome back on Something Light Show for today. Ruby.
Rubunu.
Rubunu. Rubere maganan nagishi. You know, say for Igbo. Rubere maganan nagishi. Say respect your father and your mother. So that's Rubunu now.
No, okay, Rubunu.
Rubunu.
Okay, the key.
Down.
You
get key. So now do.
Okay, Rubunu. Like greeting. Okay, Rubunu. Nedu, okay, Rubunu.
IzzyBeat. Okay, Rubunu. Where are you from?
I come for Delta now.
From Delta. Which part of Delta you from come?
Eku.
Guinea.
Eku.
Where you near?
No, other worry side now.
Oh, you not worry, girl. Hello, sister. Urobo.
You two get 7 children.
I try reason whether I could get 2. Say me I manage that one. Say if I feel handle and I go add another 5 join.
Hey!
You don't marry?
I no marry.
You never married?
But they wait to marry.
You dey wait to marry. Thank God say in the wait to marry. This question what would they ask now? If as you dey now they wait to marry, you see a fine man like me now.
Like who?
Fine men, we know ourselves.
They know themselves now. They know themselves.
Fine men, we know ourselves. IzzyBeat, Abi. We know ourselves. Now, you see fine man like me now. You see fine man we get money full everywhere, but you not sabi wipe. Or person wey sabi wipe, he sabi do snake and ladder. He sabi do ludo. He sabi do draft. He
sabi do tinko.
Style of wiping.
Tinko.
Yeah, he sabi do am, but he not get money. Which one you go choose inside the two of them?
That one hard though.
He not hard.
The money they good and the wiping they good too.
Talk.
The thing we say the money go they good, but the wipe also they very, very important to keep.
My sister, you know eat your cake and have it.
Make I tell you, see, why it is I stand up? I say this guy no wiping. You see, the flesh and blood will not reveal this to you.
It's only the spirit.
It's only the spirit.
Yeah.
You
so I know the spirit. Only the spirit reveal
it to me. So you prefer guy who sabi wipe and he not get money?
I go choose the one who get money first. Then
no,
the
process, not be first.
No,
first
I go come teach her how to do the thing. Not be not be. I go teach her.
Jesus.
Every day I learning process now.
IzzyBeat na the same thing. You know say na the same thing when they talk.
Na the same thing. Now remove my chieftaincy cap for you.
Is it not be the same? I'm going to teach them how to do the thing now.
We're not going to teach yourself.
No, not with us now.
They just stop saying
they could teach themselves. I beg, make me watch one music video. Make I calm myself down.
Oh.
Waiting.
You know, suppose you know say you get some people where you go teach them. They don't fit catch anything.
It depends.
So waiting go happen.
It depends.
You go just tell me that
I think it go dey good if you go fit take charge of the entire
the
wiping.
woman.
You go take charge on top. After time, you go learn how to do the thing, the wiping, this thing now. After you done.
Anyway, make we.
You know say wiping na talent.
Na talent.
Make we watch this wiping where the cut talent now. One guy meet one babe. Look the babe. Baby, you are beautiful. Ungo, you are beautiful. And then you don't think they get thank you. That's my talent. Maybe watch Johnny video when they come back because hey, Rubunu,
my people, now well done. Oh. Welcome to another special edition of We Don't Catch 'em. You know how we do it for this program. If you suspect say your man or your woman they play ball outside, this is the program to come. For today's edition, one special woman, fine girl, fine anyhow, they suspect say her man they shop ogbono outside. The one like a goosey soup, instead of him to choose a goosey or ogbono, they mix the two together. As a matter of fact, it be like say this man they mix 3 different kind of soup together. So now today we go know, say I with they cry, they see road. Come with me, make we go bust down.
Ho ha! Abrogodo it. Celebo on the beat. Yeah, me holiday. It's a species, baby. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Johnny Mo, I'm looking for my Johnny. Yeah. Where is my Johnny? Johnny Mo, do you know Johnny? Question. If I know see my Johnny, looking for my Johnny. I'm looking for my honey. You're telling me this, you're telling me that. I say this is not for me. Johnny do me conny. Johnny do me conny. He's doing me this, he's doing me that. But I know go tell mommy. He go Canada, he go Tokyo. Yesterday he say he dey Morocco. He dance the sicko, he sing a willow. Na lie, na Pinocchio. This one na go be. Original go be. See me see wahala. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Kem kedi feneme. Johnny Mo, I'm looking for my Johnny. Ayakata, where is my Johnny? Johnny Mo, do you know Johnny? Question. If I know see my Johnny,
As you can see, we are leading them, everybody, to discover where Johnny is.
Your middle name not be Johnny, Nedu?
No, Johnny now people, anybody will be Johnny, like IzzyBeat now Johnny.
No.
Because you will get half sat, delicious, Genevieve, you are a Johnny. Because why they call him Johnny Waka? Johnny Waka, pium.
Well. Oh.
So na him.
In the waka pium.
Bam. Osi from Abuja, good evening. Osi.
Hello, Edu.
Good evening, my brother. How is your ministry?
The ministry is moving on fine.
Nah, hallelujah, somebody.
Thank you.
Now, for this matter, which one you go choose?
Edu, Adabaka achieving atalo.
Thank you.
Brother, you reached those.
If you choose wife finish, you go see what you go chop the following morning.
Una go drink Gary now and cry or not.
You know, please sustain everybody now.
And especially that snake and ladder style of wiping. When you wipe and finish, hunger must catch you.
That's so.
You know the snake and ladder style?
Hello?
Austin, continue. So you choose, you will marry person who get money.
Now money be the cocoa now. You can learn the other one later.
Then you like IzzyBeat and like Rubunu, we go teach the girl how to wipe, okay?
Not the thing,
What if you can't teach the girl in office, Abi?
You go manage her now.
You're not going to go Kotaraji for outside.
You know say hunger fit kill you, but wiping no fit kill now.
Hey, my brother, don't talk like that, though. You get some kind wiping, my brother.
Austin, you don't go understand.
Hey.
Wiping of life, day.
From wiping, you no go die, but
Wiping there.
You get wiping, when they go wipe you, your eyes will be open, earth will become void.
Hey, you can walk out for this head like spirit. Your leg
From
will touch
Bayelsa,
down.
good evening. Faith from Bayelsa, good evening.
Hello,
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I'm fine.
This matter we will talk today. I bet which one you go choose?
this wiping something, it
Yes.
gets as it be. Because I be person by the house and I get hope say I go get money tomorrow, even if I marry. But I don't feel marry woman we no sabi do am.
My brother.
Be me. As an Asian man, I don't ever see marry woman we be say you no sabi do am. I go marry person we no sabi do am.
You understand?
Why
The
now?
elders will not permit it.
Yeah.
A man, you not supposed for our tribe, we not supposed to get marry woman we get money passing himself for starting.
So now wiping I be number one culture.
Wiping I be the good.
Wiping is important. In the beginning of wiping, in fact, wiping is the beginning of wisdom. My brother, thank you. Thank you. Hey, Rubunu, you say now wiping now. Now be your own. Number one, the money go feel come. Make you how you take talk about you say?
No.
Wait,
No, you know talk am like that on Nedu. I did hear when she talk that, you know. She say first of all, she could choose the money. Then now you can't cut am short.
No, you are getting it wrong there.
Say, yeah.
The flesh and blood is what you are talking with. Talk with the spirit. You say, first of all, money, bottle. Wiping is important. My life. Not what you talk.
But she don't talk say.
It's important.
But the money come first, yeah.
So wiping a second.
Yeah, the thing say all of them, they share this thing like this.
They say national importance.
They fight for this
my
position. Now the problem be that if to say wiping, they more important. And the money, they more. You go the difference, but they there. But
No.
Nedu near you.
Hold on now.
Near you.
Hold on. See, Rubinu come.
I
want.
No, I should hear you from
Now your question.
Nedu sit down here.
You go give me your number after here. I need lessons. Anyway, tell us about your music worker briefly. We know say you've been there Project Fame season 7. That was last year, and you be the finalist. Why you not win? Then they follow you for village.
don't know. Maybe not your people though.
Hey, which kind of song will you sing there?
Which kind of song you sing will make you not win?
Nah, process of song. Every week we dey get song.
Which one will come? Because that's the last song did you stay choose, Abi?
I don't think so. Now our fans, they salute all my fans. So they try for me.
When I see the fan, AC, they salute all of
you. They salute all of you. Now they blow.
Fan, anyone.
They salute.
So
now then the vote will be very important. Okay. They go fit vote. Now the highest vote will go come.
Okay. Hold on. Moku take. Ngozi, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Why? Good evening. How is you? You want to talk to IzzyBeat?
Katim, you look pretty.
Oh, sweetie, thank you so much. I want to try.
IzzyBeat.
I know say IzzyBeat.
You say?
I want to say hi to IzzyBeat.
Ngozi, good evening. Hi. You don't finish?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bye.
Hey! You know why this girl say she want to say hi to IzzyBeat?
Now say finish.
Now because of say IzzyBeat choose say he go teach wiping. Marco watch one short video with it.
We say IzzyBeat go open school, domestic school of wiping.
Why you think say she dey agree? Marco watch one short video with.
No wonder.
We know all these things.
Not true.
Yeah, like Rubunu.
I know flesh and blood cannot reveal it to you.
The spirit only.
I know the spirit only, and you must be in tune with your spirit.
That's it.
See, look at it. You see that guy? Not only Nigeria. Now motor when they move forward, but the time not they move. If you marry person where a bit wipe and you not get money, now so it go be like moto. Where not they move, but it be moto. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
No, they don't understand because
from Kaduna, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
Hello.
Why you dey mellow like
Good
this now?
evening.
Your TV dey too loud.
Your TV dey too loud.
Your TV loud.
You want me we quarrel this evening?
Call us back when your TV don't reduce volume. We'll go back to you, Rubunu. Rubunu.
The difference in the foot of the winner and your own is plenty.
What is the difference between the votes? We make the person win, where you don't win.
I don't know now.
And they're not going to tell us now.
They're not going to tell us.
But
But the bottom line be say we make us the finals.
Okay.
That the most important.
Say you reach final, but my
reach
sister.
And they also leave
that thing.
But leave her more.
Leave that thing. She thought say wait. She say the bottom line. But the bottom line is make us to the final. Leave that thing. You wish say you win.
But even then, the winner, console yourself, my sister. How many winners they come out? They blow anyhow.
Leave what she talk. She said the bottom line is that we got to the final. She pray to win them. Talk say you not pray to win them. She does say she reach final. I don't go to final, but even if I not win, I mean not mean. You know, say the bottom line the tower. But so what is now your plan on top music level?
As today right now, they work on, my singles. Okay. One of them dropped 3rd of February. I do that one specifically for the election go hold for Valentine's Day. So I released that song in the title band, We Are Africa.
Okay.
They for Spinlet, they for Not Just Okay, they for, you go fit download them.
Okay.
And so, but as today election, you never see, but the video they come, now the good thing with that, the video they dropped this month, so you go fit enter into the election.
What made you release that, write that song? Now you write the song?
Now me write the song. I write the song a long time ago. I come the reason, I say, this Nigeria way of doing. I mean, I release this song because they talk about oneness, one people. As today, we know fit to the fight because no going to take us anywhere.
Oneness. You don't know that guy? Oneness. That guy waiting for Oshodi.
Oneness.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that guy.
That black
guy.
Oh,
wait till that is okay, body.
Continue.
So
you talk about oneness.
We talk about one Nigeria, one Africa.
I think that guy they call oneness.
Better for you, go better for.
Okay, that be the name of that be
We Are Africa.
Okay, you go do the song before we come out for inside studio.
You want me to do the song?
You not fit do one for us. Do small for us.
Her voice is sweet though.
Do one for us. Do small for us.
A person they call you now.
No. You need wipe.
No, this person. No, are they gonna not only see this picture? This
for
is
Twitter.
No, play. Give us music. Give us music.
Yeah, Nedu give us music. How you say you know you are beer parlor?
No, we go soon go now. We get like 2 minutes to come
but you go tell her make she prepare herself now. That
what be that thing? Now your juju be that?
Now my juju, I don't use on you.
Okay.
Nedu, you know sabi play this thing. I know when you dey go school for this thing, you come out the school.
We enjoy her music.
Oh, sweet girl.
Raise your hand and wash it.
Oh, okay. I woke up this morning, I saw the pictures on my screen. I said to myself, oh, is it power they're looking for? I don't understand why they have shed so much blood. It drives me crazy, 'cause they don't love, no, they don't care about another. All they want is just to break my heart. It breaks my heart to see we're living in strife, and I don't understand, 'cause we are one family, we are one people. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart to see we're living in strife, and I don't understand.
You're breaking my heart now. Coming to you. You're breaking my heart. Rubunu featuring. Yes.
We don't have to fight anymore. We don't have to fight anymore. Let's stop the hatred. We are Nigeria. We are Africa. Oh, say.
We don't have to fight anymore. No, we don't have to fight anymore. No, all of you now wear colors for today's show. Wale, let me do it. No, wear them for Twitter. Wale, Rubunu, Wale, don't be sorry. Enemies of Wale, their father, to desire, Wale. Woo, play to do, yeah.
Yo, IzzyBeat, yo.
IzzyBeat, give us music. No, una bye-bye. Tomorrow, Rubunu, we love you, please.
Tomorrow,
yeah.
Katim, cause it out.
Come on, let's